the hinge that we need. Okay, so just when he presses off, right around. And then the pressure this way. Hold the hand across. And then just step out a little bit.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Just by pushing this out. All he's going to do is put his hand in wedge and then just roll that around. Boom. That's it. Back and just here. And just grab and roll around. Boom. That's it. All I want is this. When he puts the wedge in, okay, notice how economical this comes around this. It's not some big fucking motion. He pushes the elbow in, but he hinges that just sneaks. See when this just makes a connection and he just rolls. You can't do this. So just yeah. You can't when you grab here. You can't like let your elbow go up and then roll up. See what just the second we touched, that became a fixed point. You know what I mean? This is not a fixed point. You're not here doing this fixed point and then see how my arm's way above his head. When I lock out and this connects, this slides. I can hinge this. See that? So I can use my elbow. See how my elbow's on top? Then my elbow slides down to get the punch in. So this is a hinging. This is sliding and hinging. So whenever he blocks me here, boom. It's just here. It's not this big like pull and then like this big hit. It's just this really tight right to the face. So just here, just really tight. Grab up and just sneak your hand around in the end. So everyone's got to go real slow with this and go here and then sneak and here. So I let my elbow just kind of drop out, sneak and hit.
So you're doing a straight line.
Drop out. Well, it has to hinge, but it's okay. See this is the post that you got to develop a ball joint. When this comes up, this got to do this. See the hinge? So a straight punch would be here. Right? See, I'm not pulling it back and going in. I'm going around. See this little hinge? This is the hinge. This is the hinge that we need. Okay? So just when he presses off, right around. And then the pressure this way. Hold the hand across. And then just step out a little bit. Shift to the side.